Alright guys, Alex with Master Garage here. 2014 Chevy Corvette tune-up, how to do the spark plugs. It's a kind of tricky on that passenger side. I already did that. Body control module has to come off. There is two like that. You have to release that, pull it out. Be careful about all the pins right here. Don't bend anything. So after that, you're gonna see something like that. You need to disconnect the battery first, and then after that you need to disconnect these two cable. It goes right here. Use the 13mm and take that off. And then in order to remove this part, you need to push this back just like that, and then take it out. When you push it back all the way, just like that, see? Be careful, just push it back, and then I have to do with my hand, in my one hand, okay. And then when you push it back all the way, it's gonna come back on. So push it back, pull it out, back, pull it out, and for all three. And then there is 3 nuts, 10mm, one here, one down there, and one over here. Release this line, the AC line, and you can wiggle it out. And after that, you need to remove the coolant reservoir. This is 2 tab right here. Push it all the way in and pull this one out, take that out. And there is 2 nuts here, one here, 10mm, and another one right here, 10mm. Remove the coolant reservoir. Then you can access all 4 spark plugs over here at the passenger side. It's a good idea to use this kind of special needle nose to hold that cover for the plug wire and take it out. If you use that one, you're not gonna break it. And use and take off all the spark plugs. I got them, AC Delco, the original one. You gotta use the 16mm socket, and then when you're done this side, the other side is gonna be easier. There is nothing, special for the other side. It's just like regular spark plugs, and that should be. When you put back that one, you're gonna be careful about like all the pins here. Don't bend anything or something. Just be careful. Push it all the way straight down, just like that, and like that one. Thank you guys for watching. Leave me a comment if you have any question. God bless.